Hello everyone, my name is Sariliani from accounting class 28. Today I will discuss about liabilities, one of the important element in accounting that has a significant impact on the entity's financial position. This discussion refers to accounting theories path forward by experts in the field of accounting. Definition of liability. Liability is a reason obligation of a company arising from past events, the settlement of which is effective to result in a law of resort uh, embodying economic benefit. This definition contains three important characters. There is a present obligation. It originates from past translation and its settlement requires economic resource and in-depth understanding of liabilities is essential as it is directly related to the company's ability to manage debt and fulfill its obligation. Fundamental characteristic of liabilities. A key characteristic of a liabilities is the existence of a responsibility or duty to act in a certain way. Liabilities are legally calculable as a consequence of binding contracts or statutory requirement. For example, amount owed to suppliers for goods or services that have been received. In addition, obligation may also arise from normal business practices, custom, and the desire to maintain good business relationship or as in a fair manner. It is important to note that liability differ from a future commitment in that liability must be the result of past translation or events. Regulation and measurement. Liability is recognized in the financial statement when it is probable that an expenditure of resources and binding economic benefit will be made to set a present obligation, and the amount to be settled can be measured liability. The initial measurement of a liability is usually made at the fair value of the consideration received. In practice, the measurement of liabilities can involve fundamental characteristic of liability. A key characteristic of a liability is the existence of a responsibility or duty to act in a characteristic way. Liability are legally recognized as a consequence of binding, contract or statutory requirement. For example, amount owed to a supplier for goods or service that have been received. In editing, obligation may also arise from normal business practices, custom, and the desire to maintain good business relationship, or as in a fair manner. It is in fact to turn that liability differ from the commitment that liability must be the result of past transaction or even regulation and measurement. Liability is recognized in the financial statement when it is probable that expenditure of resource and building economy benefit will be made to style a present obligation, and the amount to be settled can be measured reliably. The initial measurement of liability is usually made at the value of the consideration received. In practice, the measurement of liability can involve significant estimation, particularly for long-term or contingent liability. This process requires professional judgment and in-depth understanding of the nature of the obligation. Classification of liability. In financial reporting, liability are generally classified into current and long-term liability. Short-term liability are liability that are accepted to be set within the normal operating style or within 12 months after the reporting period. These include accounting variable, salaries variable, and the current version of long-term debt. Meanwhile, long-term debt includes liability with maturity of more than 1 year, such as bond, long-term bank loans, and post-employment benefit obligation. This classification is important for liquidity analysis and financial planning. Contingent liability. A special aspect of liability is contingent liability, which are professional obligations arising from the past event and was accidental be confirmed by the occurrence or non-occurrence of one or more future events that are not entirely within the control of the entity. Examples include in ongoing legal case or produce right recognized and disclosure of contingent liability require special judgment and should be in accordance with applied label accounting standard. The restoration liability are derecognize when they are discounted, challenged, or accepted. In some cases, the resignation might imply an exchange of obligation between a debtor and a creditor on sustainability differ from it is important to understand when and how to recognize obligation to prevent misstatement in the financial statement. Disclosure entities should disclose adequate information about liability is the financial statement. This includes the nature, amount, and timing of the obligation, as well as the understanding associated with the amount or timing of the outflow of resource transparent and complete disclosure. Assistant user of financial statement in assessing the entity liquidity and solvency rules. In fact, on financial analysis and understanding of liabilities is critical in financial analysis. A ratio such as debt to equity ratio, current ratio, and interest converse ratio relative insight into a company financial health and its ability to meet its obligation. This analysis helps investor, creditor, and other stakeholders in making informed economic decisions. Conclusion: a comprehensive understanding of liabilities is essential in modern accounting practices. Proper recognition, measurement, and disclosure of liability not only fulfill reporting requirements but also provide useful information for decision making in an increasingly complex business environment. This understanding must be constantly updatable to keep up with evolving accounting standard and business practices. That all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention.